Hello everyone, I'm Priyanka Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel Mathlite. In this video we'll continue with exercise 7C from chapter Ratio and Proportion. So coming to question number 12. If x is equal to root of a plus 3b plus root of a minus 3b upon root of a plus 3b minus root of a minus 3b, prove that 3bx square minus 2ax plus 3b is equal to 0. You're given this and you need to prove this. Look at the given. We are given x का value over here. ठीक है? So it is a plus 3b, a plus 3b. Check the roots first. A plus 3b, a plus 3b. A minus 3b, a minus 3b. So roots are same. जो अंदर में terms है they are same. What are the signs in between? Plus and minus. So whenever the terms are same, signs are plus and minus, which property you will use? कॉम्पोनेंडो डिविडेंडो. ठीक है, कॉम्पोनेंडो डिविडेंडो यूज करते हैं यहाँ पे. ऑलराइट, नाउ कॉम्पोनेंडो डिविडेंडो स्टेट्स न्यूमरेटर प्लस डिनोमिनेटर अपॉन न्यूमरेटर माइनस डिनोमिनेटर साइमल्टेनियसली ऑन बोथ द साइड्स, LHS RHS. ठीक है, सो RHS में तो वी हैव न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर. व्हाट अबाउट LHS? LHS इज x, so x is nothing but x upon 1. Whenever denominator is not written, denominator is 1. ठीक है, so even if you are given a number 2, so it is 2 upon 1. minus 5 upon 1. ठीक है, so we'll write x as x upon 1 because we need to apply componendo dividendo simultaneously on both the sides. ठीक है, so this is the entire numerator, this is the entire denominator. So numerator plus denominator upon numerator minus denominator. So let's apply componendo dividendo. So by first we'll write down the question. ठीक है, so x is root of a plus 3b plus root of a minus 3b upon root of a plus 3b minus root of a minus 3b. So x is nothing but x upon 1 equals to root of a plus 3b plus root of a minus 3b upon root of a plus 3b minus root of a minus 3b. Now we'll apply componendo dividendo. So by componendo dividendo you'll write the full thing. ठीक है, numerator plus denominator, so numerator plus denominator upon numerator minus denominator. This is the entire numerator, so write down the entire numerator in brackets. ठीक है, plus denominator, that is root of a plus 3b minus root of a minus 3b. Numerator minus denominator. So this will remain as it is. We cannot simplify this more. यहाँ पे we'll open the brackets. So root of a plus 3b plus root of a minus 3b plus root of a plus 3b minus root of a minus 3b upon, this will remain as it is, and यहाँ पे signs will change, minus root of a plus 3b and minus into minus plus root of a minus 3b. ठीक है, so here minus a root of a minus 3b plus root of a minus 3b cancel हो जाएगा. यहाँ पे root of a plus 3b root of a plus 3b. ठीक है, so LHS is as it is. RHS में root of a plus 3b plus root of a plus 3b, it is like x plus x, it gives you 2x, so it will be 2 root of a plus 3b. You cannot add the terms inside the root. Okay, it is wrong. So root है इसलिए हम लोग terms को directly add नहीं कर सकते हैं. Upon 2 root of a minus 3b root of a minus 3b you are adding, so 2 root of a minus 3b, 2 gets cancelled. Now what do we need? We need this. So you can see there is x square, there is no root over here basically. यहाँ पे root है. What we will do? Square on both the sides. ठीक है, to remove the square root we'll square on both the sides. So let's square. So squaring on both the sides, you'll write down the statement. Whenever you're squaring or taking square root, you have to write down the statements. So this whole thing का square, this whole thing का square. ठीक है, you cannot take individual का square. No, there is plus and minus signs in between. ठीक है, यहाँ पे भी it is inside the root, so you cannot square these individual terms. You have to put square to the entire thing, entire root. So x plus 1 the whole का square upon x minus 1 the whole का square is equal to root of a plus 3b the whole thing का square upon root of a minus 3b the whole thing का square. Okay, this is of the form a plus b the whole square and this is a minus b the whole square. Identities again. So students, identities are used frequently over here. A plus b the whole square is a square plus 2ab. So 2 into x into 1, that is 2x, plus b square, that is 1 square. Okay, that is 1 only. यहाँ पे a square minus 2ab, 2 into x into 1, that is 2x, plus b square, that is 1 का square is 1. You cannot cancel out, there are plus and minus signs in between, you cannot cancel out the terms. ठीक है, and यहाँ पे रूट का स्क्वायर है, so it will be a plus 3b upon a minus 3b. All right, it is root of a plus 3b into root of a plus 3b. Whenever you have root of a number into root of a number, it gives the number only. Same thing यहाँ पे, instead of number you have terms over here. ठीक है, so it will be a plus 3b, a minus 3b. ठीक है, स्क्वायर नहीं होगा, कुछ भी स्क्वायर नहीं होगा, a का स्क्वायर 3b का स्क्वायर, प्लीज डोंट डू दैट. ओके, नाउ वील क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई. सो लेट्स क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई. a minus 3b into x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to a plus 3b into x square minus 2x plus 1. So let's open the brackets. A into x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 3b into x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to a into x square minus 2x plus 1 plus 3b into x square minus 2x plus 1. ठीक है, so opening the brackets, ax square plus 2ax plus a minus 3bx square minus 3 2s are 6bx minus 3b. Be careful with signs. A into x square minus 2ax plus a plus 3bx square minus 3 2s are 6bx plus 3b. ठीक है, let's see if anything is getting cancelled. ax square. Okay, 2ax का साइंस डिफरेंट है, so you cannot cancel out. plus a. Okay, 3bx square का भी साइंस are different, so you cannot. 6bx both are negative and 3b they have opposite signs, so you cannot cancel. So you're left with 2ax minus 3bx square minus 3b is equal to minus 2ax plus 3bx square plus 3b. Let's look at what we need to prove. 3bx square है, 3bx square यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है, 2ax, 3b, so all these terms are there over here. 3bx square is positive, so 3bx square यहाँ पे positive है, यहाँ पे negative है. Let's shift this over here, we'll shift this over here. Okay, and 2ax is negative, so let's shift all these terms over here. We'll get the signs according to the proving part. ठीक है, साइंस देखो यहाँ पे पॉजिटिव है, सो यहाँ पे पॉजिटिव है, इसको भी पॉजिटिव करना पड़ेगा. ठीक है, इफ़ यू शिफ्ट दिस इट विल बिकम माइनस 6bx स्क्वायर. ठीक है, सो इंस्टेड शिफ्ट ऑल द टर्म्स ओवर हियर. सो यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं बचेगा, 0. These terms will remain as it is, minus 2ax plus 3bx square plus 3b, and these will shift. So ये साइन हो जाएगा चेंज, minus 2ax plus 3bx square plus 3b. ठीक है, माइनस 2ax माइनस 2ax माइनस 4ax हो गया ठीक है, एंड 3bx स्क्वायर 6bx स्क्वायर and 3b plus 3b gives 6b. Look at all the numbers. These are divisible by 2. Divisible by 2. ठीक है. 0 is also divisible by 2. You can divide 0 by any number. ठीक है. Not 0 of course. So you can divide 0 by 1, 2, anything. So 2 से divide करते हैं. Throughout we'll divide by 2. So dividing by 2 throughout or on both the sides. So 0 divided by 2 equals to minus 4ax divided by 2 plus 6bx square upon 2 plus 6b upon 2. You can skip this part, okay? This is just for understanding. 0 हो जाएगा, 0 upon 2 is 0, 2 2s are, so minus 2ax, 2 3s are, so plus 3bx square and 2 3s are, so 3b. We are getting this, ठीक है? Only the sides are switched. 3bx square minus 2ax plus 3b equal to 0. So let's switch the sides now and rearrange the terms. So 3bx square plus 3b, नहीं, बाद में minus 2ax है, so minus 2ax plus 3b is equal to 0. Hence proved. So after this write down hence proved. Let's read the next question. Question number 13. Using the properties of proportion, solve for x given x raised to 4 plus 1 upon 2x square is equal to 17 upon 8. You're given this and you have to find the value of x using properties. So over here normally we are given something plus something upon something minus something. यहाँ पे ऐसा नहीं दिया है, but you have to use componendo dividendo. Okay, we'll use that only. So most of the sums uses this property only. ठीक है, so all these are similar kind of sums, all right. So we'll use componendo dividendo on both the sides. So it will be numerator plus denominator upon numerator minus denominator. ठीक है, so write this down first. X raised to 4 plus 1 upon 2x square is equal to 17 upon 8. So applying componendo dividendo by componendo dividendo, you'll write down the full thing. ठीक है, numerator is this, numerator plus denominator, numerator plus denominator upon numerator minus denominator is equal to numerator plus denominator upon numerator minus denominator. ठीक है, over here we have x raised to 4 plus 1 plus 2x square. Same terms यहाँ पे, the signs have changed over here. What will you do in such a case? यहाँ पे we will apply the identity. Identity apply करेंगे हम लोग, ठीक है. So what is the identity for this? Let us figure out. यहाँ पे all the terms are positive, okay. With 2 we have x square and here we have x raised to 4. X raised to 4 I can write it as x square का square. X raised to 4 is nothing but x square का square. ठीक है, so this I can write as x square का square. ठीक है, 2x square I can write it as 2 into x square into 1 plus 1 is nothing but 1 का square. What I am trying to do is I am applying the identity of a square plus 2ab plus b square. ठीक है, this will be a का square, a is x square, instead of a that is x square. So a का square plus 2ab, b is 1 plus b का square. Same thing in denominator, but instead of plus 2ab we have minus 2ab. So it will be x raised to 4 will be x square का square minus 2 into a into b plus b square. So this is a square plus 2ab plus b square, and this is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So what is a square plus 2ab plus b square? It is a plus b the whole square. So it will be a plus b the whole का square. Same thing यहाँ पे a minus b the whole का square. Here we just need to solve. 17 plus 8 25 and 17 minus 8 9. ठीक है? So it will be a plus b the whole का square. ठीक है? And यहाँ पे a minus b the whole का square. b is 1 only. ठीक है? So over here this is equal to 25 upon 9. We need to remove the square. I can take square root on both the sides. ठीक है? So when you take square root, these squares will go away. ठीक है? Squares हट जाएगा. And यहाँ पे if you notice the numbers are perfect squares. 25 is nothing but 5 square and 9 is nothing but 3 square. So square root of 25 will be 5 and square root of 9 will be 3. So x square plus 1 upon x square minus 1, squares will vanish taking square root on both the sides. 25 हो जाएगा 5 and 9 हो जाएगा 3. You have to give reason taking square root on both the sides. ठीक है? Now we'll cross multiply. So let's cross multiply. So 3 into x square plus 1 is equal to 5 into x square minus 1. So 3x square plus 3 is equal to 5x square minus 5. Let's shift x square over here and number over here. You can do the other way around also, but x square negative मिलेगा, so that is why I'm shifting this way. 3 plus 5 is equal to 5x square minus 3x square. ठीक है? Be careful with signs. 3 plus 5 8 and 5 minus 3 2x square. So x square is equal to 8 upon 2. So x square is equal to 4. ठीक है? So x square is equal to 4. So x is equal to, taking square root on both the sides, x square x हो जाएगा and 4 का square root is 2. Now there are two possibilities. One is positive, other is negative. Proceeding to next question, question number 14. If x is equal to root of m plus n plus root of m minus n upon root of m plus n minus root of m minus n, express n in terms of x and m. x का वैल्यू दिया हुआ है यहाँ पे, ठीक है? And you need to find n in terms of m and x. You will get something. n is equal to m upon x or x upon m something. ठीक है? So we need to find n का value. This how will you solve? Using componendo dividendo, because m plus n, m minus n terms are same, and other thing is signs plus minus. So you will use componendo dividendo to solve this. Also x है लेकिन denominator नहीं है. You need denominator for that because it is numerator plus denominator upon numerator minus denominator. So denominator क्या हो जाएगा? 1. So let's solve this. ठीक है? x is equal to root of m plus n plus root of m minus n upon root of m plus n minus root of m minus n. So x is nothing but x upon 1 equal to root of m plus n plus root of m minus n upon root of m plus n minus root of m minus n. ठीक है? Now we'll apply componendo dividendo. We got a denominator over here. ठीक है? So by you'll write down componendo dividendo the entire thing, no short forms. ठीक है? x upon 1 है, so x plus 1 upon x minus 1, that is numerator plus denominator upon numerator minus denominator. ठीक है? Same thing in RHS. So this is the entire numerator. Write down the entire numerator first. Numerator, put brackets, plus denominator. So m plus n minus root of m minus n upon numerator minus denominator. ठीक है? This will remain as it is. So इसको as it is रखते हैं. Opening the brackets here, root of m plus n plus root of m minus n plus root of m plus n minus root of m minus n upon root of m plus n plus root of m minus n minus root of m plus n plus root of m minus n. साइंस विल चेंज यहाँ पे, ठीक है, ये नेगेटिव हो जाएगा, ये पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा. सो m plus n gets cancelled here, your m minus n gets cancelled. So LHS again as it is, and RHS में root of m plus n plus root of m plus n, it is like x plus x, so it is 2x. So same thing यहाँ पे 2 root of m plus n. I'll repeat, you cannot add the terms inside the root, mathematically wrong. हम लोग ऐड नहीं कर सकते, ठीक है. So root of m plus n m minus n plus root of m minus n, so 2 root of m minus n, 2 cancel हो गया. We are still left with root over here. Let's remove the roots because we need to find value of n, and this n is inside the root, ठीक है. So we'll square on both the sides to remove the root. So x plus 1 the whole का square upon x minus 1 the whole का square. Whenever you square or take square root, it applies to the entire thing. यहाँ पे प्लस या माइनस जो भी साइंस है, 2-3 टर्म्स, it applies to the entire thing. So entire numerator का square, entire denominator का square, same thing यहाँ पे. Okay, so it will be root of m plus n the whole thing का square upon root of m minus n the whole thing का square, ठीक है. Now we know root है, square है, so it will get vanished, ठीक है. So root and square दोनों हट जाएगा, you are left with m plus n. So m plus n upon m minus n, and यहाँ पे it is a plus b the whole square, a minus b the whole square. Apply the identity. It will be a square plus 2ab plus b square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. So a square plus 2ab plus b square upon a square minus 2ab plus b square is equal to यहाँ पे m plus n upon m minus n, ठीक है. So you are left with x square plus 2x plus 1 upon x square minus 2x plus 1 equal to m plus n upon m minus n. Let's cross multiply. So m minus n into x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to m plus n into x square minus 2x plus 1. So let's open the brackets. M into x square plus 2x plus 1 minus n into x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to m into x square minus 2x plus 1 plus n into x square minus 2x plus 1. You could have split the other bracket and multiplied accordingly. X square into this, 2x into this, 1 into this, you could have done that way also. So m into x square mx square plus 2 into m into x plus m into 1m minus nx square minus 2 into n into x 2nx, and यहाँ पे minus n into 1 minus n equals to m into x square mx square minus 2mx plus m plus nx square minus 2nx plus n. Be careful with signs, okay. mx square cancel हो जाएगा. This you cannot because signs are opposite. ये cancel हो जाएगा, यहाँ पे नहीं होगा, this will get cancelled. So you are left with 2mx minus nx square minus n is equal to minus 2mx plus nx square plus n. Now you need to express n in terms of x and m. So n वाला जितना भी terms है we'll shift on one side. All the terms having n we'll shift on one side. So let's shift these terms over here and let's shift m वाला term over here. ठीक है. So we'll group n वाला terms together. So 2mx and this will become plus 2mx equals to nx square and this will become plus nx square, and here already n is there, one more n, ठीक है. So this will give 4mx equals to 2nx square plus 2n. I can take 2 common, ठीक है, this is divisible by 2, this is divisible by 2, this is divisible by 2. So you can take common and divide or divide throughout by 2, up to you, ठीक है, कैसे सॉल्व करना है. So 4mx is equal to, I'll take 2 common, so 2 and n also I can take common, so n also I'll take common, and in bracket you're left with x square and यहाँ पे nothing, so 1, so x square plus 1. Alright, now shifting 2 on the other side, also this on the other side, because I want to express n in terms of m and x. So m and x you can keep together, but n you need to keep separately. You need to get n equal to something, okay, 2mx something something you'll get, ठीक है. So let's shift this over here and 2 also over here. So 4mx as it is, 2 will go in denominator, into है, so यहाँ पे divide हो जाएगा, okay, and x square plus 1 also, okay. So I'm shifting this and this over here and keeping n over here. 2 2s are, so 2mx upon x square plus 1 is equal to n. So we are getting n equal to 2mx upon x square plus 1. Box this, ठीक है, we got n in terms of m and x. Alright, so now moving on to next question. Next question, question number 15. If x cube plus 3xy square upon 3x square y plus y cube is equal to m cube plus 3mn square upon 3m square n plus n cube, show that nx is equal to my. Now over here, this is given. We'll apply the property over here, ठीक है. For this exercise, properties is something that you have to apply for every sum, ठीक है, almost every sum. So property apply करेंगे यहाँ पे. Alright, although there is no plus and minus sign over here, we'll apply componendo dividend only, ठीक है, we'll apply componendo dividendo. I'll tell you why. Look at the terms very very carefully, ठीक है. You have x cube, 3xy square, 3x square y cube. What is the formula of a plus b the whole cube? What is it? It is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. You are supposed to know this identity. You are supposed to know. Similarly, a minus b the whole cube. What is it? A cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. For minus alternate हो जाएगा, positive negative, ठीक है. So same terms, signs will change, ठीक है. You're supposed to know this. So look at the terms over here. Instead of a and b you have x and y. So x cube 3x square y, ठीक है, instead of a and b x and y है. So 3x square y, 3x square y यहाँ पे दिया है, 3xy square, 3xy square. b cube की जगह पे I have y cube, so y cube is also there. So you see these are the terms given. Same thing in RHS, same है. Instead of x and y there is m and n. Look at the terms carefully, ठीक है. So you need to apply this identity. Before that you will apply the property, ठीक है. So what is the property? Componendo dividendo. So it will be numerator plus denominator upon numerator minus denominator. Same thing in RHS, ठीक है. So write the given first. X cube plus 3xy square upon 3x square y plus y cube is equal to m cube plus 3mn square upon 3m square n plus n cube, ठीक है. Now by componendo dividendo you'll write the entire thing. I'm not writing, ठीक है. So numerator plus denominator, put brackets, अपॉन न्यूमरेटर माइनस डिनोमिनेटर. ठीक है, सेम थिंग इन RHS. सो it will be numerator plus denominator upon numerator minus denominator. ठीक है. Now open the brackets. So x cube plus 3xy square plus 3x square y plus y cube upon x cube plus 3xy square minus 3x square y plus y cube. Okay, same thing in RHS. M cube plus 3mn square plus 3m square n plus n cube upon m cube plus 3mn square. यहाँ पे साइन चेंज हो जाएगा. So minus 3m square n minus n क्यूब. ठीक है, यहाँ पे भी चेंज होगा. सॉरी, माई मिस्टेक. सो बी केयरफुल विथ साइंस. इफ वन साइन गोज रॉन्ग यू वोंट गेट द आंसर. सो ये दोनों नेगेटिव हो जाएगा. नाउ इंस्टेड ऑफ ए एंड बी लेट अस सब्स्टिट्यूट एक्स एंड वाई. ठीक है, ए का क्यूब है, सो एक्स का क्यूब. इंस्टेड ऑफ ए एक्स स्क्वायर, बी की जगह वाई, ए की जगह x, b की जगह y, प्लस b की जगह y. Now let's see if we have these terms. x cube, 3x square y, 3x square y, 3xy square, 3xy square, y cube, y cube. So all terms are there. So I can say this is equal to x plus y the whole cube. ठीक है, सिर्फ रीअरेंज कर देते हैं टर्म्स पहले. x square y प्लस xy square प्लस वाई क्यूब अपॉन, यहाँ पे भी विल रीअरेंज द टर्म्स. 3x square y comes first and then this. So minus 3x square y plus 3xy square minus y cube. For minus, what will happen if you have minus? Then it will be alternate, plus minus plus minus. So it's coming this way only. ठीक है, सेम थिंग RHS में, सेम लॉजिक. ऑलराइट, सो m cube plus 3m square n plus 3mn square plus n cube upon m cube minus 3m square n plus 3mn square minus n cube. ठीक है, so this is x plus y the whole cube and this is x minus y the whole cube. This will be m plus n the whole cube and ये हो जाएगा m minus n the whole cube. Students, be very very thorough with identities. It is very very important. ठीक है, so I'll keep on repeating that. Please learn the identities very well. All right. Cube है, all are cube. So what I'll do? Take cube root on both the sides because I don't want cube. So taking cube root on both the sides, सारा क्यूब निकल जाएगा, all the cubes. So you will be left with x plus y upon x minus y equal to m plus n upon m minus n. You give the reason since you have used the identities. A plus b the whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube and a minus b वो भी यूज़ किया है, right? So it will be a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. ठीक है, so you have to give reason when you use the identities. Now taking cube root on both the sides, so सारा क्यूब हट जाएगा. You will be left with x upon y, x plus y upon x minus y equal to m plus n upon m minus n. ठीक है, now x x y y plus minus, same thing m m n n plus minus, which property? Componendo dividendo. So by componendo dividendo you will write the entire thing numerator plus denominator upon numerator minus denominator. Numerator plus denominator upon numerator minus denominator. So let's open the brackets. X plus y plus x minus y upon x plus y minus x plus y. Be careful with the signs. ठीक है, यहाँ पे m plus m minus n upon m plus n minus m plus n. The signs will change. Y minus y, x minus x, n minus n, m minus m. So x plus x, 2x. Y plus y, 2y is equal to m plus m, 2m, n plus n, 2n. 2, 2, 2, 2 cancel हो गया. So you get x upon y is equal to m upon n. You got it? n x है, so you'll shift this over here, and m y, so you'll shift this over here, cross multiply. So n x is equal to m y. Hence proved. So box this and don't forget to write hence proved.